Hey everyone, welcome back to my HTML series. In this video, we will understand what are diacritical marks. So a diacritical mark is a glyph added to a letter. So what you see over here on the screen right now, this type of glyph that is added to the letter A, or this one added to capital O, this is called as the grave symbol. And similarly, this is called as the acute symbol. This is cap and this is tilde. So how do I render these type of texts on my web page? Well, let's go to the code editor. Here you see this is what is the character, whatever character you want the diacritical mark to be added to, and then that has to be followed by an ampersand, a hash symbol, and a semicolon symbol. And in between this hash and semicolon, this is the 3-number code that has to be added. So 768, this is for your grave mark, grave accent. 769, this is for the acute accent. 770, for example, this is for your cap, and 771 is for your tilde symbol that is there. So you see all the symbols are added on top of character A here, and all of these are added on top of character capital O over here. This one was small a and this one is capital O, and hence you have it here. That's the output.